So yesterday I continued working on the decentralized EV charging project. I met with Rachel, who brought in great insights from her past working experience. And I also made several changes on our developer portal across the board. Today I had a meeting with Noam and Tal regarding the non-autonomous ride-hailing service. And we initiated a new research that will take place in the following weeks together with Andrew, our researcher. So great things, and I guess this is it, guys. Thanks.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I sat with Lior and assisted him in preparing the proposal for decentralized electric vehicle charging. And I also had a great communications team call like we do every week. And I continued with the incoming emails. Today I have a call together with Tal with a potential advisory board member, and I will be continuing to field those questions coming in by email and on Telegram, and I hope everyone has a great weekend. See you next time.
Hi guys, so it's the end of the week, and today we still continued to work on the Copter Express demo. Timmy and I are doing it bit by bit, and hopefully I will have something new to tell you next week.
Hey there! So yesterday and today are all about the smart contracts. Yesterday I made a lot of progress on the basic mission contract, the one we're going to be using for the drone delivery mission. Today I'm continuing on that, as well as some progress on the identity smart contract. I had a couple of quick calls in the morning, but other than that, it's all Solidity programming all day. See you tomorrow.
Hey Dappers, happy Thursday, Alick here. Today we moved offices here on our floor. We just expanded to 3 new offices. Other than that, my whole day was dedicated to research. I researched more about the different autonomous vehicle companies that we already approached, looked for different personnel and different ways in to start introducing DAV to them. Me and John will discuss this next week in our meeting on Monday. And that's about it. Have a great weekend. Bye guys.
Hello, Joe Lopardo here. So yesterday I worked with our CCO John on the press and media page. We wanted to go ahead and get that up to date to make sure that we have all of our content, all the amazing updates and announcements we've been pushing out. Yesterday was a lot of work around just making sure the content planner was in check. The content we're going to be producing and the announcements we're going to be doing over the next few months were all in check. So a lot of good work there. Today worked on our MailChimp for a little bit, so made some adjustments in there based off some great feedback from Lior. So did some updates there to make sure that when people are getting emails that they're getting it. Also working on our Wikipedia page, so we got some feedback today and our first draft based off of a Wikipedia page that's going to be going live based off the DAV Foundation, so really excited for that to go up there. But overall, great day so far, some more good work to be had, but that's it for now. Thanks everybody, have a great day.